In this video, we're teaming up with Sunseeker to introduce you to several key products in their 60-volt battery-powered lawn care tool lineup. We're going to show off two versions of their brushless string trimmer, a backpack-powered hedge trimmer, and an ergonomically designed articulating pole trimmer. Before we jump into the tools, let's start with a look at Sunseeker's 60-volt battery system. Currently, there are 4 packs to choose from. For standard batteries, they have a 4 amp hour and an 8 amp hour pack. For professional landscapers and users who require longer run times, they provide high-capacity options, including 15 amp hour and 25 amp hour backpack batteries. Sunseeker provides an innovative backpack harness that works with both of their standard batteries as well as its larger backpack batteries. If you use one of their tether-ready tools, the battery backpack gives you extreme runtime. It's a great way to drop the weight off the tool and reduce your arm fatigue. Taking a look at the Sunseeker 60-volt brushless string trimmer, it has a powerful enough motor to let it pull double duty as a brush cutter. Producing 1,800 watts, this 3-speed trimmer runs at 4,500, 5,200, and 5,800 RPM. Common among all the tools we looked at, a digital control display is where you'll make all of your adjustments on the fly. There's a power button to turn the trimmer on or shut it off, and a mode button that cycles between the 3 speeds. The string trimmer gives you a 16.5-inch cutting swath and uses 0.095-inch line. It also doubles as a brush cutter when you attach the optional 10-inch blade. As you're considering models, Sunseeker gives you 2 to choose from. The CBC 7910P takes a 60-volt battery directly on the tool, and that means you can use a single 60-volt battery directly on the tool itself, or make use of their battery adapter when tethering to a larger backpack battery. Alternatively, the CBC 7911P features a tether connection port, which you connect directly to a backpack battery. There's no performance difference between the two. It's all about which connection style you prefer. On to the next tool. Sunseeker's 60-volt brushless hedge trimmer has all the features we look for and adds a couple of nice bonuses. The brushless motor drives a set of dual-action, double-sided 30-inch knives at speeds up to 4,000 strokes per minute, and it produces 1,200 watts. If you're in a position where you want to preserve runtime or you're working on lighter trimming, you can also operate at 3,600 or 3,200 strokes per minute. You power up the hedge trimmer and select your mode using the digital LCD control panel, something we haven't seen on other battery-powered hedge trimmers. Like the string trimmer, in addition to mode selection, you can also view the remaining battery percentage, the total hours on the machine, and any error or maintenance notifications. A 5-position rotating handle helps you adjust your grip to ergonomically trim at a variety of angles. To make the adjustment, just pull the lower trigger and rotate the handle to the position you want. The trimmer is really well balanced too. It weighs just 9.3 pounds. It's also IPX4 ingress rated. Finally, when you need to trim down low or even up high on tall bushes, Sunseeker provides the 60-volt CPT 7618 brushless articulating hedge trimmer. With an 85-inch overall length, it has the additional reach that you need, and then some. Thanks to an articulating head that locks into any of 11 different positions, the tool lets you set an angle to better trim up high, down low, or with an extended reach. The brushless motor produces 1,800 watts of power and is geared to cut at 2,800, 3,200, or 3,600 strokes per minute on its 21-inch double-sided dual-action knives. It also has the power and clearance to cut branches up to 1.1 inches thick. Besides all that, it weighs just 12.1 pounds and has an IPX4 rating. Overall, Sunseeker has some very impressive, advanced, and flexible tools in its 60-volt lineup. With smart LCD controls, options for backpack and onboard batteries, and plenty of great ergonomic features, we look forward to seeing what else the brand brings to market over the coming year.